GT. Okay, and the incision length usually use 10 to 15 centimeter. And according to the requirement, we can increase the size of the incision. And should be started for the tip, posterior part of the tip of the GT, and going down and up in the line of AISS. But the curvature should be at a 45 degree arm and drawing. So this is the vertical one, and if we draw line straight by here, but we have to move from the tip of the GT at the 45 degree angle. Okay, or we can position the limb in a 45 degree of flexion. So ultimately it would come in a slightly straight line. This one. Okay, so we will go with the same marking. So should we go?
Yeah.
Yes, please proceed. Okay. Okay. So here we go. Right. What it is?
कैमरा पर्सन थोड़ा फोन पे अच्छे से जूम करो।
This side, from this side.
थोड़ा हेड को बाईपास, इस सर्जन का हेड आ रहा है इसमें।
Alright. So here's the pad. We are going slowly down to the fascia. One more effect, please. Now we have now. So this is the shape of the GT. Here. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
This here. And this is the fascia. And we are again clearing our pad from upper side. Now. So we have UTI and the fascia. Okay. So here is the shape. So we are going to take incision over in the fascia, just posterior 1/3 of the GT. Here we go. Okay. Here please. Bring it down. At this point of time, the assistant should abduct the limb so that the fascia get loose and it will easily access the toe. There is a beater. So for upside, we should cut the fascia over the muscle, not the muscle, only fascia, in the line of skin incision. That's it. Yes. This one, please. Okay. Chanley, please. Wait. So it is very tight. Very tight. Right? Okay, right.
So in such cases where you feel it's tight, do you look for adductor stenosis? Do you do adductor stenotomy prior to putting the patient, or you do it after?
No, I usually do after, if needed. straight tight.
How do you decide whether you need to do it?
So after the procedure, I examine the hip, and if it feels tight, then I release.
You look in the examination to decide what
Sorry?
What do you look in the examination to decide whether this is a case for adductor tenotomy?
Wait a minute. So it's very tight. नहीं, this is should be posterior. Yeah. So I think I have to increase the incision little bit. This one, distally, से ठीक से लगा. ठीक से लगा. Make it tight. No, make it tight. Yeah, that's it. The knife, please. Okay. So this is the, here we can see this is the fat. Now we are here. दिखा रहे हो? Okay. So you can see the posterior margin of the GT here, right? Here.
Okay.
Okay, so what I do, I don't separate the external rotation from the capsule. I take as a whole. So I will elevate the capsule and rotator from the posterior margin of the neck and GT. Sorry. So first of all, I usually with the pottery.
Do you tap the rotators or?
No. I would close it with the capsule at the last.
Okay.
So here we cutting the capsule with the rotator. So I am at the neck with the leader. Now at this point of time I would put a spike. Spike please. At the upper part of the neck. And over the lower. There we go. Second one. Yes. So I would show the neck now. Cutting the capsule in C-shaped manner. So, are you able to see this head? Oh, sorry. Okay. Just a minute.
Stop here.
So, section please.
It is visible now.
Okay, visible now. So here is the head. So we are going to dislocate. Flexion. वापस आइए एक्सटेंशन में ओके लाइट वर्टिकल पॉटरी का बेटा वो नहीं चल रहा कटिंग नाउ so because I think it was quite big head possibly बड़ा ले लो बड़ा रिट्रैक्टर सर की तरफ से आई एम रिलीजिंग द कैप्सूल वापस कभी भी कम नहीं करते लेकिन सर्जरी की जब लाइव होगी तो तुम्हारी कोशिश होगी आराम से ट्रैक्शन दो आराम होल्ड इट लाइक दिस
We have a workshop table that will be taken up by Dr. Anil, Dr. Ganesh and Dr. Hari. The procedure of the surgery is about to get over with the workshop on table.
टेबल पे इधर फिट करिए प्लीज
सर की तरफ टेबल
पर्सन भी इसमें बिग वन बिग रिफ्लेक्टर
हाँ सर की तरफ
Sir, Dr. Anish here.
यस
We would like to understand what problem which is the surgical facing. Is it very fit type?
So right now we are facing the dislocation one. So the head is big, and although we have release the capsule, still the hip is very tight and it is making me struggle. Although it should come easily, but I think I think you have to cut in situ. Although it is not fully dislocated, but some of it may possible.
So how about using a bone hook and trying to dislocate?
Bone hook, I think it's a small side and not going to work. Although bone hook, let's say we try definitely with that. Bone hook.
कैमरा पर्सन जरा अंदर अच्छे से दिखाओ, कुछ दिख नहीं रहा यहाँ से.
Intraoperative template, usually I don't do. Otherwise, we have this template. You can use it like this. here, and what I marked is 45. So this is my GT. Yeah, this is my GT at the level, and this is that. So I took it the side one. Okay. Now I'm going to take the cut here. So we have delivered. Now I will put the anterior retractor. My exposure is not adequate, so I have to release in case the upper slide part of the gluteus maximus tendon. Yeah. Okay. So this is my posterior thing. So here it is. I have
Okay, just can we explain that the safe zone for putting these two things? What should be the safe zone?
Yeah, the safe zone is the upper side is no doubt the big bone, the ilium here back side it is the ischium. So you have to be in the most posterior part, the thick part, right? नहीं I have to बड़ा चाहिए बहुत पर ये वाला बहुत बड़ा है Yeah, this is okay. So I'm putting an inferior one. Okay. So still my exposure is 360 degree, but I'm not satisfied. So again, I have to do slight release of this here. Okay, cameraman inside this. Either you can come from that side. No, I will manage, but because from that side you are not able to focus in the estabulum. उधर से आके ये दिख रहा है. Okay. So this is the labrum. I am removing it.
I request the cameraman to change the view because
Yeah, I've asked for that. So hold it. Okay. Can you see the estabulum?
Yes, sir.
This is anterior margin, superior, posterior margin. Okay. So the process is. So both the fat and the ligamentum variation and removing from the fovea. What is ठीक है ना? So here we are having our transverse scapular ligament. Yeah, here. This white structure. You
Okay.
able to see? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so all set. Now we can start the rimming. First of all, I would take a small rimmer. This lunoid surface have to be converted into the round one. So now it is.
Which size lemon you started?
It was 38. Yeah. Now I would take a rough size of the rimmer to start and to position my rimmer in a correct inclination and reversion. So this is a. So it is a 44 trial. I am putting here, and so I am inside of the TAL and inside of the anterior margin of the anterior wall. Okay, so and zoom out, and here as a whole we can see if it is at the 90 degree, you can see it is at the 45 degree round. So right version and right inclination can be judged with the bony landmark and transverse ligament. So at this point of time, I would mark here with the marker pen so that I can't deviate during the reaming process. So I am again slightly increasing the incision because my reamer is not going down on pushing. So it would work very well. 46. So this is my reamer 46, and you can see I am on the my mark, right? Inside the anterior wall and inside the TL. Okay? So slightly this one. So I am putting pressure down so that I can prevent the thinning of the posterior superior wall and superior wall. So next week, Shivaji pressure देना इस बार. So until we'll get the blessing sign from the three bones, we'll read 48. Okay. So now you have to do pressure. Okay. Good. It has cut it good bone and bleeding is there. What? 49 है? 249. Bleeding is good. Bleeding is quite good. Lollipop. So here we can see the blessing, the bleeding from the bone. See, zoom in. Again, see. Have you seen that?
Yes, sir, we can see the.
So I'm not going to increase more, but I'm going to use that same reamer 48 to deepen my cup. So here again on the mark, not deviating from that, inclination the same. Now I will take trial. So again you can see here, zoom in. So my 2 to 3 mm wall is intact anteriorly. So I am not happy. So I will, because it is low. तुम 50 का कब दे?
50 का कब देना?
नहीं वो दो ट्रायल दो.
हाँ सर देगा.
ओके. तो माउथ करना पड़ेगा. ऑलराइट. ये मैं 50 की बात की.
50 का रीमर.
Is it tight at the mouth?
Yeah. So just for mouth. No pressure. Oh. Like.
Head size, sir, can you please again tell us the head size which we have detected?
That. So this is 50.
50.
So my 50 trial is quite good, stable. Whole the pelvis is moving anterior and anterior superior and mediolateral. Yeah. So 50. Not much ossified, and in case if there is protrusion or extra anterior wall, and I think it can impinge. So I used to remove that part at the last. So we have done with the stubulum, and now here we go. Beta, you should come this side. Okay. Also, please. One retractor for him also. One retractor. Yes, great. So again, we have to clear the lateral part to make our entry. Again, the sclerosed bone should be removed, the tissue should be removed so that we can easily see the entry. So as already discussed and told by Dr. So again, I would copy that. So this is the limit of the lateral part of the neck. And for the version in this case, because this is a normal case, no dysplasia, no fracture, no malunion, so we'll go directly with this line, right? And anterotal, no doubt, if we divide into 4 parts, it should be here, posterolateral. So, can you see that? ये आवाज किस चीज की है? So here I remove the bone. Please. So here.
Sir, what is the anti-version in your dose?
So this is the natural anti-version, which was the
Along the neck, means.
okay. So if there is no landmark left, or there is malunion, or there is DDS kind of thing, so always I took this reference. Zoom out karo. The knee should be flexed at 90 degree, and my reamer would be around 15 to 20 degree, and in anti-version. Lateral. कोई बात नहीं. Yes. Now we are going to take head trial. Nebula, please. Nebula, please. Left many. Yes. Go. Yes. So this is. So we have reduced it. Okay. Right. So now we have to check the stability all around. Right. देखो बेटा जरा यहाँ पे. So this is section. Section B. Here we can see the parallelity of the head and the stapler liner, and we are into the 15 degree flexion and 50 degree abduction. So this is known as combined anti-version. So we
can't appreciate this.
oh, okay, great.
After camera, please change the view.
Camera boss. So
that we
वाली पार्ट सही है इसमें.
So are you people able to see the sternum?
Yes, sir.
So again, about the screw positioning. So we have 3 holes in this cup, and we keep it posterior superior. Actually, one in liner please, saline please. No.
So when you find a typical screw or
Okay. It depends upon the bone
the
quality. Sorry.
Yes, sir. In a bone, one quality. So, how you assess the bone quality?
While we so this is very important landmark for the inclination and inversion in normal cases. So again, I used to check in the Siam. Whenever there is suspicion or question or any confusion about that, I used to check with the Siam, under the Siam. Okay, done. So,
Mean you follow the same guideline on the margin of estabulum and estabulum one without Siam. Additionally.
Sorry, I couldn't get the question.
the question is in cases of a situation where there is anterior osteophyte, how do you identify the anterior margin?
Okay. Alright. So in that case, the X-ray would already indicate you about that in lateral view, or then, and you can easily identify the osteophyte when you open the acetabulum, when you expose the acetabulum. So that thing is to remove the acetabulum, the osteophyte first, and then go for the removal.
What's your extent of removal of the osteophyte? How do you differentiate between the osteophyte and the normal?
So it's simple. You can get the bone actually when you remove the osteophyte. If you find that the bone is coming flat, so it means you remove so we are removing the gauze piece, put it inside.
As a beginner, give an idea about the appropriate sizing of femur.
Of fever.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Beginner to tell.
So the thing is, when your reamer getting stuck and not moving, smallest. इससे छोटा. Then this is the indication, and your broach is not moving at all. So this is the indication to stop. Okay. So I will take little bit more neck cut. So easily.
What's your preference for head size? 32, 36, 28?
Okay, so my favorite is 30. Broach, please. Broach handle. So as we already now broach, please. White change. Reamer, 11 reamer, please. And give me nipple also. That's why I hate this. चलो साहब बोल दो एलिवेटर नेक बंद
इतना अच्छा वर्किंग करते हैं ये देखिए
जरूरत ही नहीं चलो लो बेटा निकालने के लिए दो सिस्टम खुलवाओ
सिस्टम फाइल 8 नंबर से
ये लो वहां से रिले बंद हो गया क्या भाई बंद हो गया टीवी बंद हो गया बेटा वहां पे भी चल रहा है लाइव है ओके सो अच्छा लोग चलेगा आई एम पुटिंग दी एक्चुअल स्टेम 0 दिया था ना? ठीक, हटाओ। चलिए आराम से आराम से। ना 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 बेटा इधर कर। हाँ सुधीर भाई आराम से आराम ना।
Dr. Almesh,
नहीं,
Dr.
नहीं, नहीं।
Ganesh, please come for
ये काम कर वही दे दे।
Dr. Hari
बस
Paul.
बस बस बस।
ये टेबल है।
खोल दे माइनस खोल दे तू पहले। एक स्पाइक दे दे पहले। हाँ माइनस पहले वाला सबसे पहले स्पाइक दे दे नॉर्मल स्पाइक ये सबसे वाला नीचे। बेटा स्ट्रक्चर इज नॉट वर्किंग।
Please collect your certificate from the registration council for leaving.
ये क्वेश्चन हो गया बढ़िया। बस लो जी लाइन दो। Anybody is there in the hall? सब भाग गए? Is anybody there in the hall? देख बोलने भी नहीं दिया। थैंक यू नहीं बोलने दिया किसी को यार। हाँ हाँ।